Alright, we're back with the 986 race car, and I got something special for you today. What could it be? Stay tuned, keep watching our series. Alright, today I'm going to be teaching you to how to take off your 986 Porsche airbag, the driver's side airbag. And before we get to that, I just want to say thanks for coming back to Disturbing Creations. I appreciate all you people. I appreciate all the likes out there to try to help me out so I can get monetized, so I can actually put some more money into doing these things for you guys. I need to, buy some cameras and stuff. But let's get right to it. So you're going to have to get what's called a T30, and it has this different shaped head. So this one has 6 points on it. This is called a T or a Torx. So what we do is we turn the steering wheel to the side at a 90-degree angle so that it's up and down this way. It's like flat this way. There's a hole right here behind the steering wheel. You can feel it with your finger. You're gonna take your Torx and you're gonna come right where the dash is, like it's rubbing. And you're gonna find that little hole. You're gonna put your Torx up in there and push in about 1.5 inches. And you're gonna, it takes a couple of times. A lot of people struggle with getting airbags off, but you just kind of feel it, give it a little twist, no, pull it back, feel it, give it a little twist, no, move it around, move it around. I found the best way to do this is to put the handle all the way up against the dash so it tilts down, flatter. And that's how I always get it off. You don't want to try to go straight up like this. You'll never find it. You don't want to go at an angle, 45-degree angle. You want to try to get the T as flat as you can and untwist it off. And once you untwist it, the screw will not come out. It's a Torx head. It will not come out. You'll feel it loose. Once you do that, you're going to just turn it the opposite way, 180 degrees, so that it's facing this way. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take your T30, you're going to find the little hole again, you're going to look down here, find the little hole, and you're going to slide right in again and twist it backwards. I couldn't break it by hand, so I got a pair of channel locks, and I twisted the T, just to break it free. I think it was the first time that this airbag has ever been taken out when I did it. So if you're in there and the T handle is not moving, it's locked in place, you got it. If you're in there and it's just floppy all over the place, you haven't found it right. Pull out a little bit and then try to go back in. While you go back in, I kind of twist a little bit to see if it'll twist into place. Once you get both of those removed, what you're going to do is you're going to take your airbag gently. So just because you made it this far, I got a little joke for you. And pull it off. There's a wire that's connected right here. This yellow wire, you see that? And you're just gonna pick that wire off and disconnect it. This is your airbag wire, and it goes right here. That way, if you have to do anything like fix the horn, a lot of these horns go bad, these gaskets under these bolts, and this is how you also get to the horn to fix it. So once you take the airbag off, you just place it somewhere where it's going to be protected, do whatever you got to do, and then put the airbag back on exactly how I said. You're going to connect this back up, you're going to push the airbag on. I hold it on with one hand and put the T in from behind, and I tighten it. So this is how you take off the airbag for the driver's side. I'm actually doing it on this side because this is an actual race car and I'm gutting everything. So I'm going to just drive it like this, and I'm going to take the rest of the innards out. Eventually I will get a steering wheel that's a little lighter and a little thicker for this, but that'll be another video. I just want to recommend that every time you work with electronics on your vehicle, or that you're dealing with this airbag stuff, it's very, very dangerous. So I would advise you highly to disconnect your battery, the negative and the positive. I see some people just disconnect the negative, but I'm not truly satisfied that there's no residual energy left inside the vehicle or in the DME, which is the computer. So I disconnect both, and I wait 15 to 30 minutes to make sure everything has dissipated, all the energy, and then I work on this electric stuff. I advise you to do the same. Always read your manual. This is how you get the one off of the Porsche. They're a lot alike with other cars. But thank you for coming to Disturbing Creations. I'm trying to put out basic videos now so that everyone can do mechanics on their car. If you can just give me a